Imagine a civilization so advanced that it can control the fate of entire galaxies. A civilization that has harnessed the power of black holes and can manipulate the fabric of space-time. A civilization that has colonized other galaxies and has a population in the trillions. Welcome to the world of Type 7 civilizations, the most advanced civilizations in the universe. And today, we're going to take you on a journey to explore what such a civilization might look like. A Type 7 civilization would be incredibly advanced, with technology that we can't even begin to imagine. They would have harnessed the power of black holes, and would be able to manipulate the fabric of space-time. They would have colonized other galaxies, and would have a population in the trillions. They would be able to control the climate of their planet, and would have eliminated poverty and hunger. But this is just one possibility. The truth is, we don't know for sure what a Type 7 civilization would look like. The possibilities are endless when it comes to Type 7 civilizations, but one thing is for sure, they would represent a level of advancement that is beyond anything we can currently comprehend. But the question remains, is it possible for humanity to reach such a level of advancement? A post-physical civilization would represent a level of advancement beyond anything we can currently comprehend. The inhabitants of such a civilization would have transcended their physical bodies, and would exist as pure energy. They would have harnessed the power of black holes, and would be able to manipulate the fabric of space-time. They would have colonized other galaxies, and would have a population in the trillions. This is just one possibility for a Type 7 civilization, and the truth is, we don't know for sure what such a civilization would look like. But it does raise some interesting questions about the nature of existence, and what it means to be alive. The concept of a post-physical civilization is a fascinating one, and it's just one of the many possibilities for a Type 7 civilization. A Type 7 civilization would represent a level of advancement that is beyond anything we can currently comprehend. It would have the power to control the fate of entire galaxies, and would be able to manipulate the fabric of space-time. But what would this mean for humanity? Some scientists argue that it could lead to a new era of peace and prosperity, while others warn of the potential dangers of such a civilization, such as the risk of destroying other civilizations. The idea of a Type 7 civilization is a fascinating one, and it raises many questions about the nature of existence, the future of humanity, and what it means to be alive. It's important to remember that this is all just speculation, and we don't know for sure what a Type 7 civilization would look like, or if such a civilization even exists. But it's important to keep an open mind and continue exploring these possibilities and implications. And that concludes our journey exploring the concept of Type 7 civilizations. We hope you enjoyed this series and it sparked an interest in you to learn more about this topic. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Factories for more exciting content on science, technology, and other related topics.